Hey guys, my name is Michelle. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a quick look using the McGrath Celestial Odyssey palette. This palette is so beautiful. I'm sure you guys have seen it before. I just wanted to play with another color since there are so many pretty ones to choose from. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, stay tuned. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and also turn on your post notification bell so you know when I upload my next video. Let's get to the tutorial. Okay guys, so as you can see, my face is already pretty much done except my eyes. I'm just jumping on here to do a quick look with the McGrath Celestial Odyssey palette, which I'm sure you guys have seen. Looks like this. I just wanted to do a pretty color. There's so many colors in here that I have not used, so I just wanted to jump on and do a color. So let me zoom you guys in. You can see what I'm doing. I'm going to start off with this color here for my transition. All right, let's see. This color is called Sunrise Amber. Yeah, Sunrise Amber. So we're gonna use this brush. This one does not have a name on it, and put that in our transition area. I just want to pop off something, and this palette is too pretty for me not to use. Can I zoom you guys in more? Do you want to be in more? You want to be all up in my face? All right. All right, let me use my mirror in front of me so I don't have to look. So I don't have to look away. Gonna blend out the edges so it does not leave a line of demarcation. All right, let's do this side. Okay, make sure you guys are blended properly. Okay, now I'm going to use the same brush, and I'm going to take this brown color here at the top, and I'm going to put that in my outer corner. And this color is called Nocturne. I think it's Nocturne. I'm going to put that in my outer corner. It's like a nice chocolate color. I just love these colors. I'm taking it like not halfway, but so pretty. So I want to use a color that I haven't had a chance to use. So you're just placing that color beneath the first color that you just put down, so you can have like a gradient effect. So pretty. All right, let's just stamp it in a little more. All right, now I'm going to use this color. It looks pretty, it's looking at me. I'm gonna use this color up top. Right here, what's the name of this one? Rose someone. I'm going to put the names down. Or if you guys have the palette, then you could see. I'm gonna use my finger. Ooh wee. To apply it. This is so pretty. Wow. Okay. I knew this was a good choice. And I'm gonna go in with a little brush. This is a BH Cosmetics brush number 7. Kind of old. Just to, you know, knead it up a little bit. Okay. And I forgot to put some powder under my eyes to catch any fallout, but we should be fine. Now we're gonna go back with that same brush that we were using for the dark shade and just blend out the edges of this one. And I'm also going to take it in. Let's blend out this side. Since I'm just doing my eye, that's why I decided to show both my right side and my left side. Normally I would cut one of them out, but this video is very short. And that's all we're going to do for the eyes today, guys. So let me use my, this is my LA Girl Jet Setter liquid eyeliner. All right, I'm going to do a little wing. I'm going to start at the corner here and do a wing here. Ooh wee. Okay. I'm going to do one with you guys and then do the other one off camera. You guys see my wing? How close do you guys want to get? Let's see. Okay guys, so I'm back. I went off camera. I apply some lashes and I did my other wing liner off camera. I used this, my favorite Amazon lashes, both Cala lashes. Came with a pack of 5. So I have 1 left. These are really good. I love them. They're not too much. The only thing I'm left to do is do my inner corner color. So I'm going to pick a shade. Let's do someone in the, you know what? Let's do this pop of green. Just because. This color right here. Let's see how that looks. Okay, it's not as bright, but and that's all we have for today. I hope you enjoy. Next time I'm going to leave the description, leave down in this description everything that I've used on my face, my foundation, everything. Okay guys, so that's the end of my video. I hope you enjoy this quick eye look that I came up with this beautiful palette. Okay, leave me some comments in the description box. Let me know what you think. Let me know that if you have this palette, if you're thinking about getting it. If you don't have it, I think you should. It's a little pricey, but I think it's worth the coins. So I hope you enjoy this look. Again, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and also turn on your post notification bell. I would love to have you become a part of the family. Until next time, I hope to see you very soon. Take care of yourself and each other. Bye guys.